Bonjour, salut les enfants. Comment allez-vous ce soir? How are you this evening? Yes, it's evening here in Toronto, Canada. I want to bring your attention to the translation tool in Google Docs. So I've opened up Google Drive and I've opened up a Google Doc. I've already given it a title, Sample 1, sticking with English. Now I'm going to place my cursor on the page itself, the text box. I want you to ignore the tabs, templates, meeting notes, email draft, and more. As soon as I start typing, those tabs will disappear. So again, I'm drawing your attention to the translation tool available in Google Docs, which you may or may not be familiar with. So let's say you've written, hello, how are you? And you wanted to translate that document into French. Yes, there are other languages, il y a des autres langues, but we're going to specify French. In a matter of seconds, the document or the app would translate English into French. Bonjour, comment vas-tu? No, it doesn't mean that you're done. Tu, well, you and I know that's informal or informel. If you're speaking to, or more formally, so speaking to an adult you don't know very well, a teacher, writing a formal letter to someone to request something, you would use vous and not tu. Excusez-moi. Again, translation tool available under tools in Google Docs is really helpful. Super utile, but you're going to have to do a quick once over, maybe twice over, to detect any small errors or larger errors. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up this video on this Sunday evening, dimanche soir. I'd encourage you to explore the translation tool in Google Docs and have fun. Okay les enfants, à la prochaine. See you next time. Ciao!